Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to simulate secondary displays on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. And system, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to developer options. In developer options, scroll down and go to drawing section. Here in drawing section, you can see here the simulate secondary display. And okay guys, the simulate secondary display is set into none. To set this, you'll have to do is tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the option. So you can set into 480p secure, 720p secure, 1080p secure, 4K secure, 4K upscaled secure, or 720p 1080p dual screen. And okay guys, I decide to set the simulate secondary display into 4K. So okay guys, I select this 4K. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the simulate secondary display on my itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.